Hello again. Our blog series on the EPA regulation flowchart continues, breaking down the information you need to keep your office in compliance. So far, we've discussed exemptions, compliance deadlines, and compliance reports. Today, we'll be reviewing Amalgam Separator compliance, what is expected, and what you should know. There's more to the EPA regulation compliance than simply having an amalgam separator. Not understanding this fact leaves many dental professionals non-compliant. According to a survey completed in a major North America city, 70% of dental practices with an amalgam separator are non-compliant. Almost all amalgam separators, except the Liberty Boss, require some sort of maintenance or inspection on a regular basis. The inspection and maintenance is to ensure the system functions as intended. Without the appropriate maintenance inspections, some amalgam separators can enter into bypass. An amalgam separator left into bypass not only leaves you non-compliant, but could damage vacuums and void warranties. So we're going to talk about some best management practices. The following is a breakdown of the best management practices required to keep your office compliant. So one, and this is from the EPA regulation, keep compliance reports. For the lifetime of your ownership of the practice, keep a copy of the compliance report you supplied your local regulator. As described in our previous blog, in this series, you must keep updating this report anytime new information is submitted to your local regulator. 2. Monitor to manufacturer specifications. It is important to read the user manual of the amalgam separator you installed in your practice. The maintenance and inspection requirements should be shared with your staff, and a copy of the manual should be kept on file. If you would like more information about the maintenance and inspections of your amalgam separator, you can find a blog series on the M.A.R.S website that breaks down all the important information found in the user manuals of the top 6 amalgam separators sold in North America. We also provide 5-minute preventative maintenance videos on these systems as well. Number 3, maintain to manufacturer specifications. There are many factors that can affect the service life of your amalgam separator. Amalgam separator brand, a number of chairs, number of doctors, number of hygienists, brand of evacuation line cleaner, how busy is your practice. Based on the information above, the accurate service life, maintenance, and inspections of an amalgam separator can be determined in each office. In our blog, you'll see a maintenance guide used by water treatment plants inspectors when inspecting amalgam separator compliance of a dental practice. Number 4, neutral pH evacuation line cleaners. In 2014, a mercury expert found that the mercury amalgam dissolves into a soluble form when introduced into a liquid. The dissolve rate increases when the mercury amalgam is introduced to a non-neutral pH liquid. Due to these findings, the EPA regulation requires dental practice not only to not allow any solution to enter into an amalgam separator outside the pH range of 6 and 8. In addition, these solutions are not allowed to have any oxidizing or acidic properties. You can see the findings of the 2014 Purvis environmental study in, this graph. It's also listed on our website. Up next, we're going to talk about record keeping. A large part of keeping compliant is ensuring the inspection and maintenance completed on your amalgam separators is kept on record in your dental practice. Without the records, your office could be found non-compliant. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at 1-866-594-3648.